Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a safety razor. So what you're going to need is, of course, a safety razor, a small little bowler cup. I'm using this one for example. You're going to need a small brush to make your foam. You're also going to need shaving cream, which is easy to find pretty much. I have this one in Picasso, which is made in Italy. It's very popular and I highly recommend it. And if you have a large beard, you might want to use a trimmer to trim your beard. Mine's getting a little bit long, so I'm going to use this at first. Because if you use this first on your beard, it's going to pull on the hairs. So it's much better to get this down a little bit, just to make it a little easier on yourself. Alright, so first step, if your razor is a little bit used, you're going to want it to get replaced. So the way I replaced mine is twist this a little bit, ever so slightly. Get the blade off. Be careful, it gets really sharp. Especially these blades that I'm using. This is a Merco 34C, pretty high quality, recommended as well. I'm using Permasharp blades. I believe they're from Russia, correct me if I'm wrong. Alrighty, let's get this out quickly. This video is going to be very simple, so don't worry guys. I'm going to try to make it quick as possible as well. Alright, blade out. You're going to want the letters or the words facing up. Okay, so that's a good tip to know. Alright, just be careful. Put this down here and just twist away. Okay, so step 2, you're going to want to get your little cup. Put an ounce or 2 of water in here. That should be enough. Here, let me show you guys so you guys can see that. Just an ounce, nothing too crazy. And then you're going to want to get your brush and damp the whole thing. All the way. Warm water is preferable. Once you do that, get some water off. Oh yeah, also have a towel in hand. That might come handy. So you get your shaving cream and you put a dime-sized amount inside your brush. So see how I'm going in? There you go. Dime sized. Alright? And then you're going to want to if you see in the mirror, you're going to see that foam coming up. Look at all that foam. Alrighty. So we have that set up. Close this off. Alright, here is my Brio trimmer. I'm going to set it to 1. And my beard is going to... Alright, all done over here. Got that clean shaven look. All over. Hello, clean shave. Alright, so when you have this blade, you're going to want it at a 45-degree angle. Okay, so if this is your skin, boom, 45 degrees. It's not going to hurt, so don't be scared. You're going to want small movements, and you're going to want about 7 to 10 strokes. Alright, and after that, rinse it off a bit, and continue the process. Beautiful. I like to just shave in sections. So right now I'm doing the right cheek right now. Moving to the bottom. And guys, you might get a nick. Not good. You might get a nick, but don't worry, it doesn't really hurt at all. And you get it time to time, especially if you're a beginner. For me, I get it under this neck area. For some reason, gotta be more careful, but these small strokes. If you don't like small strokes, then go to long strokes. But I do not think long strokes works as well. Getting this area perfect. It's off. The hair is generally thicker under the chin. It's nothing we can't handle, so we're good. It's off. I should probably be rinsing off more than I am, but that's okay. See guys, it's easy. Well, it's easy for me to say because I've been doing it a while. I was scared at first as well, but as they all say, practice makes perfect. Look, I still get it on my shirt sometimes, so I'm not that great. Alright. About the mustache. So in this, I'm going to shave twice. In the second run, I'm going to show you, I'm going to go more in depth in how I tackle my shaves. I hope you find it helpful. So the mustache, I just shave down. I don't shave it up because it's easier to cut yourself. Don't forget the top hairs that are near your nose, in the middle of your mustache. Just like that, we're done in round one. Rinse off. Pat dry. The reason I like to rinse off is so you can see any hairs that you missed on the first run, but should be good. Alrighty, time for the second run. Boom, boom, boom. Alrighty, got this on. And so when you go at the cheek, I usually start at the sideburn and go slowly down all the way. So cheek first, okay guys? Second, you're gonna wanna get right here, this area. So right underneath the ear. Once you get that area, you want to get the under the neck. With under the neck, I would advise you guys to hit it like this instead of like this. You get a better angle. At the chin, I like to hit it like this, not against the grain, just straight down. But with this part, the middle cheek, I'd say against the grain is the best option. Alrighty. Now this side, start with the sideburn. I like to do mid-ear. And you can go against the grain, but I don't recommend it. It's easier to cut yourself. The cheek area. Cheek first. And then under the ear. Okay. Don't forget those little tiny hairs you probably forgot down here. Okay. Last but not least, mustache. Just straight down, guys. Don't be afraid to get messy. Be gentle. Alright, and rinse off. Is a successful shave. You did it, guys. Now it's just time to clean everything. Get the brush, damp it, squeeze it. I'll turn this on here. Grab the bowl, clean it, clean the sink a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. And I would recommend you guys put a moisturizer after so your skin feels good to go, even and so that cuts can heal quicker. Alrighty guys, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked this content, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I hope you guys look good. If you rock these a pair of shades, you're gonna look awesome as well. So thanks for watching guys, and see you soon.